because everything beautiful in the life of a Muslim is taken off by Muhammad. No music, no dance, no laughing. Even if you laugh in Islam, you have a problem. Laughing is a problem. So what we will do in this earth? In the same time, you see that Muhammad, everything he forbid you from doing, he used to do, including have a dog in his house. Like, you know, Muhammad, he forbid Muslims from having dogs, right? He forbid them from having dogs. What if I tell you that Muhammad himself has a dog? That's amazing. And I will show you why Muhammad really he decided to kill dogs. Let me show you. I will go and get the hadith and I will share it with you in the screen. Here we go. Look with me here. And as again, I know I don't accept any Muslim translation, but for the sake of making it easier, we will take the Muslim translation for now. The Prophet reported as Jibril promised to visit me last night. Jibril promised him to visit him last night. Hey Muhammad, I'm coming. Okay, now, but he did not visit me. Then it occurred to him that there was a puppy under his bed. What? It happened that there is a puppy under the bed of Muhammad. In order to have a puppy under the bed of Muhammad, you have to have dogs in the house. So he ordered it was turned out, and then he got water in his hand and he sprinkled on its place. When Jibril met him, he said, we do not enter a house which contain dogs or pictures. When the morning came, the Prophet ordered to kill the dogs. Like what? Seriously? You want to kill the dogs because the angel told you, I do not enter a house have a dog? Okay, let them out. Why you want to kill the poor dogs? And who in the world will believe this? That an angel will be scared from a puppy? Angel of God, the one who have 600 wings according to Muhammad, he is scared from a little puppy? Well, how the angel come to this earth? Because the earth have dogs. Very stupid. The story does not make sense unless you are a mental person. And actually the story is different from what the hadith is saying. The angel stopped coming for a while. It's not like yesterday he promised me, you know. The angel was not coming for a while. So Muhammad, when I came with an excuse why the angel is not coming, he cannot make Quran. He's out of it. Because Muhammad, he used to receive Quran from Waraq ibn Nawfal and Ar-Rahib Buhayra, and look like Ar-Rahib Buhayra is not sending. Waraq ibn Nawfal, he died. Ar-Rahib Buhayra is not sending, or there is a delay, the messenger is not coming. So Muhammad, he have to come with an excuse. Oh, I found a dead under my bed. Actually, there's a different story. It says that it was a dead dog. They found a dead dog under the bed of Muhammad. Now, a dead dog will be really funny, because simply a dog, he died under your bed and you do not smell it, and the angel was not coming for a while. Put a piece of meat, little piece one, under your bed for 24 hours and see what kind of a smell you will have in your room. We are talking about a dog who die and you don't smell it. Ah, it must be a very stinky room, to the point the dog smell will not make a difference.